John-Marc, and I'm happy that you're here, part of my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cartoon grilled cheese in 3 easy steps. Easy sneezy. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. A little perspective into it, but another little challenge I hope for you. So make sure you have your pencil and some paper, and I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. As always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And what you might have learned from this one is, you getting hungry? Me too. Why don't you ask your mom or dad to make you a grilled cheese sandwich? Yeah, I should do that too. Hey, Ma, can you get me some grilled cheese? Wait, she doesn't live with us. She's all the way up north. Well, I guess I gotta do it myself. Anyways, so thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.